Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 sentences that will help you to speak English at a bookshop. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. Excuse me, can you recommend any good mystery novels? Where can I find books on history? Do you have any new releases by John Grisham? Can you help me find a cookbook for beginners? I am looking for a book on mindfulness. Do you have any suggestions? Can you tell me where the travel guides are located? Do you have any books on learning a new language? Where can I find books on art history? Can you recommend a good biography for me to read? Where can I find the self-help section? Do you have any books by Maya Angelou? Can you help me find a good book for my child? I am looking for a good fiction novel. Do you have any recommendations? Can you tell me where the bestsellers are located? Do you have any books on economics? Can you recommend a good book on philosophy? Where can I find books on psychology? I am looking for a book on ancient civilizations. Can you help me? Can you tell me where the comics and graphic novels are located? Do you have any books on spirituality? Can you recommend a good book for teens? Where can I find the poetry section? Do you have any books on environmentalism? Can you help me find a good cookbook for vegetarian recipes? I am looking for a book on personal finance. Do you have any suggestions? Can you tell me where the audiobooks are located? Do you have any books on fashion design? Can you recommend a good book on social justice? Where can I find books on urban planning? I'm looking for a good romance novel. Do you have any recommendations? Can you help me find a book on mythology? Do you have any books on world religions? Can you recommend a good book for children under 5? Where can I find the graphic design section? I'm looking for a book on mindfulness for children. Can you help me? Can you tell me where the business books are located? Do you have any books on the history of science? Can you recommend a good book on architecture? Where can I find books on music history? I'm looking for a book on the history of cinema. Do you have any suggestions? Can you help me find a good cookbook for baking? Do you have any books on the history of photography? Can you recommend a good book on feminism? Where can I find books on art theory? I'm looking for a book on the history of fashion. Can you help me? Can you tell me where the humor section is located? Do you have any books on the history of medicine? Can you recommend a good book on urban gardening? Where can I find books on film theory? I'm looking for a book on the history of painting. Do you have any suggestions? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.